Here's a fun trick you can do with a hat. Now you can use a hat like Jeffini's hat, or you can use a baseball cap if you'd like. Simple trick. You have two cards. You show them a 10 of hearts and an ace of clubs. Take those cards, show that your hat's empty, take the two cards, place them in the hat. Now, reach right down inside and you pull out the 10 of hearts. In fact, you could ask which card do they want you to pull out, because you could pull out either card. Wave your hands over and have them say the magic word, Jeffini Jelly Beanie, and look what you do. You say which card's still inside the hat, and they're going to say whichever one's still in the hat, but you pull out this card with a question mark. You say, it's gone, see, the hat's empty. Now your spectators are pretty smart. They're going to say, wait a second, turn that card over. But when you do, that's what you have. And you reach right down into your other pocket and you pull out the ace of clubs. Now let's find out how we perform that trick. First, you're going to need 3 cards. The first card is simply an ace of clubs card. You can get that from your regular deck of cards. Next is a card that has an ace of clubs on one side and the 10 of hearts on the other. It's a double-faced card. Remember, never let your audience, spectators, or family members see any of the cards that have 2 faces. They'll get suspicious of all your tricks when you let them see those. So never let them see that. Next, get the card that has a question mark. And on the bottom of one corner is an ace of clubs. And on the back is a red question mark. So you've got a black question mark, red question mark card. Get those cards out and we're going to start. Of course, you'll need a hat. All right? The first thing you do is you take the regular ace of clubs and place it in your left pocket. Then take the card with the question mark on it, the black question mark, and that little ace of clubs in the bottom corner. Place the 10 of hearts over the question mark so they cannot see that question mark right back there. Keep that secret. Then you're ready to do the show. You say, ladies and gentlemen, I have a 10 of hearts and an ace of clubs and an empty hat. Remember, be careful not to flash the back of the cards when you're moving those cards around. Say, ladies and gentlemen, I will take these 2 cards and place them into the hat. And so you just place the 2 cards you have into the hat. Now you can ask, ladies and gentlemen, which card would you like me to pull out of the hat? Now they can say either one. And whichever one they say, whether it's the ace of clubs or the 10 of hearts, just reach in, get the card, make sure that you're going to show them the one that they asked for, whichever one it is, just by turning it over, pull it out, and place that one in your pocket. You say, I placed the ace of clubs in my pocket. Now in this case, I'm going to use the 10 of hearts. I'm going to place the 10 of hearts in my pocket. Because remember what card I have over here? The ace of clubs. We're going to make the ace of clubs disappear. Now it's a simple matter of reaching into your hat, pulling out this black question mark,